All right, it's Romy with RC Auto Detail and Carpet Cleaning. We are back on the same Subaru Legacy where we're going through. We went, rinsed, degreased, and now we're dressing. So currently we put our blue sapphire vinyl dressing on all of the rubber, plastic, hoses. Kind of acts like a sunscreen and a lotion. So now it's all sitting inside here so that we can make this engine look pretty and new again. So sapphire is one of those. It needs to be worked into a product. It is a concentrate and cut. Just try not to touch the headlights with the hose. And then we're just gonna blow left or right. So we're just gonna work all of the sapphire into the cracks, crevices, exactly, just like that. So we're just using a tornado air gun and just blowing. It just whips air around. We're blowing everything into the cracks and crevices, and then just rub it in on top. So even it all out. Yep, there you go. See how different that looks already? So we're just giving it a good clean color. So with engines, you just want to make sure you're not spraying any water into the air intake, which is going to be the box right here.
That's this guy?
Yep. But flowing, dressing through it's going to work just fine. The rubber hoses, so the color back. And this process will just be a few minutes, usually start to finish. We're maybe 20, 30 minutes into an engine degrease and dressing. And there we go. All right, so this is Romy with RC Auto Detail and Carpet Cleaning here with Brendan, showing you just a little bit of how to degrease and dress an engine.